Okay, so I forgot to put my apron on, so I had to go do that really quick. Because I'm extremely messy and I don't want to get my clothes all crazy. Just cleaning up my area, even though there was really no wet paint except for a little bit of drips from a pour I did earlier. Like somehow I still got paint all over myself. So no big deal. And as you can see, this is a canvas I did with a vase pour, and the vase came out beautiful. This was okay, and then it dried, and it's, yeah, I'm not overly thrilled about it. So I'm just gonna pour over top of that. So for an open cup pour, you need some sort of base color. Doesn't matter what it is, but you gotta have a start to put your cup in. I'm just gonna try to not have bubbles in this. So we're gonna put this down in the base color, and the thought process is that you pour paint in here and it will flow out under the cup and underneath that paint. So I'm kind of super jazzed about using this green that I mixed up with the glow-in-the-dark stuff because I'm real curious how that'll come out. Yeah, so let's get started here. So I'm gonna just start layering these up. Surprisingly, my cup is not lifting itself. Oh, there it goes. Which is fine. Can do that, or you can lift it yourself. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, sorry, moving on. I'm gonna put a little more black in. This makes me happy. It seems to want to come this way, which is obviously, like, honestly fine. I'm just gonna kind of let it go where it wants to go for the most part. I'm hoping this will be a nice creepy colored thing. Oh man, I don't even need my torch. Like, that is just honestly super awesome already. Look at this thing trying to come at me. Get low on orange. Put a big heavy bit of black in here. And the really great thing is you can kind of have it go where you want it to go, if you really want to. What else do I want to do? White. It's stuck again. I'm not big on traveling around with open cup pours, but I'm open to it. I'm much more of the let it sit in one spot and just lift. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So cool. Sorry, so excited. Getting close to where I think I will have enough paint on here. And I think I'm gonna just, yep. I'm gonna do one more round here. Green. White, 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 white. Because this is the last of my orange anyway. Yep. Oh, I just dripped orange in the middle there. Oh, bad girl. Oh, hopefully that'll melt right in. It won't matter. All right. All right, now I'm gonna try to turn this until it is gone. Okay, that is so cool looking. Love it. Okay. I freaking love this. I'm just gonna give it a little padding around here because I really don't want to lose all of this cool stuff. Let me get my gloves on for the tilting because I'm messy. Messy. Love it. I love it. I haven't done an open cup pour in a while. There is way a lot of paint on here. All right. Now the other problem with open cup pours is stretching these out without making it look awful. So I'm just going to go really slowly. This came out phenomenal, everybody. Oh my God. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy right now. So I'm gonna sing about it. Okay, let's check our corners. Because, yep, I was gonna say, I'm sure I missed something somewhere. Bingo. Okay, that one's okay. This one's a little bit yellow. I need some yellow. Because while it probably won't make a big difference, it could look weird if you don't use the right color that kind of fell off the canvas in that spot in the first place. Okay. It'll look a lot better if it matches. Okay. Oh my God, you guys. I'm in awe. I love it. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get you guys down for a close-up because wow. 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 Super wow. Let me do... I'm running out of juice in this thing. I'm just going to do this. Because I kind of like that in a couple spots. perfect. Okay, close-up time, because, oh my God. You guys. So I used way too much paint, okay? But it allowed me to kind of manipulate this a little bit more without getting too stretchy, if you will. Look at these crazy green clusters. Oh, I love it. This whole center part is amazing. And I'm sure over the next few minutes, this will develop further into other stuff. See, there's already things popping up, popping up here. Not paying attention. So it will change probably slightly, but this is basically what it'll look like. Oh my God. You guys, this is just, I can't even. Oh, let me know what you think, you guys. Let me know what you would call this piece if you were able to name it, and maybe I will name it what you want to name it. Let me know down in the comments. Like and share this video, please, please, please. Subscribe if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.